Hello, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity to present to you my final project or the proposal regarding enhancing the Northern States University IT systems by the names Section Umar. And this course that I've undertaken with my other colleagues all through the time from the first day of the quarter to date. That is the IT 501 that is being that was handled by Dr. James Closer. Well, this presentation will focus on a proposal to modernize Northern States University IT infrastructure, and this initiative aims to enhance academic operational efficiency by improving the network capabilities, updating outdated hardware, and implementing a centralized learning management system. And the project is basically to, you know, emphasize the completion of the IT modernization initiative with an objective of establishing a secure, scalable, and efficient IT environment. Well, its main importance is to support an academic and administrative functions. That is to say, I propose and finalize an IT modernization initiative that began earlier in the course, which will incorporate the feedback, and this refined design will also create a more secure, scalable IT infrastructure, enhance the university's learning environment and operations. Well, I need to focus on the current challenges that are being faced by the Northern States University, and I arrange them in categories. There's the hardware issue, that is to say, outdated faculty workstations and inconsistent lab hardwares. The network limitations, that is weak Wi-Fi coverage and limited bandwidth. The software gaps, that is to say, no centralized learning management systems, and security risks, that is minimal cyber security measures, lack of remote access solutions. Well, including aging hardware, inconsistent with coverage, lack of centralized management system, inadequate cyber security. These challenges hinder the productivity and learning experiences. Then the modernization goals, also categorize them in tiers, that is to say, hardware upgrades, replacing faculty and student IT equipment, network enhancements, that is to say, ensure seamless campus-wide connectivity, security reinforcements, that is to say, strengthen access control, data protection, software integration, that is to say, implementing a user-friendly learning management system. And in the end, the, after deploying an LMS that will enhance student learning and faculty engagement. Those are the modernization goals. Then the proposed network infrastructure. It's also in layers, that is network topology, the hierarchical topology. That's what I will implement or propose to be implemented, to be put in place. Because with this hierarchical topology, that is what we call a centralized kind of management system for all the links that feed into it, whereby administration and IT sector and IT department can manage the way students log on, get resources, discuss, and also relate on the platforms. Then the core switches, like I've said it before, like the central traffic management, the distribution switches, that is like server academic blocks and the administration blocks. Then the WIF access points, high speed ubiquity unified coverage. That's like a model that I propose to the IT management to implement. And in any case, I propose a hierarchical topology, the core switch will manage the traffic, Wide distribution switches provide connectivity across campus, high-speed Wi-Fi access points that will improve coverage and performance. Then the subnet and IP addressing plan. How the subnetting mask is going to be done. This is also going to be done in segments like network segmentation, securing and optimize connectivity. And for the admin subnet mask, I'll use the same network, same subnet, but I'll subnet masks into different categories. Like for the admin subnet will be 1024 subnet mask. Then the focal subnet will be 2024, but of course with the same final. The first address is 192. Then the gateway is once the same gateway, but with different subnet masks. Then the student subnet mask will be 3024. Then the dorm students will be 4024. That is to say, admin will be at 192 subnet, faculty will be at 2 subnet, then student subnet will be at 3, then dormitory subnet will be at 4. And this in any way, assigning dedicated subnets for different groups, that is faculty, students, administration, that will ensure better traffic management and protection. Then the learning management system implementation plan, that is going to be done in 4 steps: setting up cloud based on campus servers, integrate authentication via Active Directory, upload and organize course materials, then training faculty and launch learning management system. That is to say, the implementation of the LMS follows a phased approach, starting with the server setup, authentication integration. Faculty will be so the faculty will upload course materials, followed by the structured training sessions to ensure smooth adoption. The implementation stage are also going to be in 4 layers. That will be like first phase, that is math 1 to 3. That will be the network and security upgrades. Then second phase, that is the math 4th to the 60th. That's the faculty lab hardware deployment. Then the third phase, from the 7th to the 9th math, that is like implementing the learning management system and software standardization. Then the fourth stage of phase, that is to say, from month 10, from the 10th month to the last month of the year, according to the calendar plan, that will be user training and system optimization. That is to say, ensuring minimal disruption. Implementation will be phased over a year, that those are 12 months. And the main focus will be to network upgrade, followed by hardware deployment, that is LMS learning management system rollout, and finally faculty and student training. And for the security bit of it and the backup strategy to be also in layers and to be multifactorial. That is MFA, that is enhancing the multi-factor authentication, 2 layers of authentifying yourself on the network, enhancing access security, firewall and virtual network, private secure data transmission, hybrid backup, that is to say cloud and on-premise backup. In other words, the MFA, the multifactorial authentication firewalls and the VPNs will enhance access, security, and hybrid backup strategy will protect data with cloud storage and on-premise sections. Then the budget framework of this whole proposal that I've put to Nathaniel State University IT department or section will cost $320,000. That's in raw, but I'll break it down. That is to say that faculty workshops, workstations, those are units that will cost around 30,000. Lab computer, those are 15 units, will cost around $70,000. The smart classroom technology, that will are 10 rooms, about $50,000. The learning management system implementation, that will go for around 40,000 for implement. Microsoft 365 licensing with all that comes along with, that will go around for 20,000 a year. The new network infrastructure upgrade that will cost boost around $60,000. Then cybersecurity tools around $25,000. Remote access or the VPN to encrypt, the network from bad intruder, that is 10,000. Then miscellaneous, of course, just in case unforeseen eventualities, I put it at 10,000. So covering about 320,000. Software network infrastructure, security enhancement. This investment ensures a robust and future-ready IT infrastructure. I'll conclude by saying that this proposal finalizes the IT modernization plan by clarifying design elements, then giving the feedback, upgrading IT systems to improve efficiency, strengthen security, provide a better academic experience, enhance efficiency and security across the university, improves the connectivity and learning processes, phase implementation secure smooth transition as well. I thank you for listening to this proposal, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. What you need, I should like improve on, and what you think I should, try and work on with a proposal I've, showed up and offered to the Northern State University. I thank you.